is of unknown cause, it is called idiopathic scoliosis. Most cases of idiopathic scoliosis are diagnosed during the adolescent growth spurt, which is when scoliosis curves are at the greatest risk of progressing rapidly. In addition to sideways curvature, scoliosis involves rotation of the vertebrae, which can lead to a possible rib hump and back, as well as uneven shoulders, hips, and other asymmetries. Idiopathic scoliosis is unlikely to cause physical pain on its own, especially in young people. Patients are more likely to be concerned about appearance, such as whether clothes fit unevenly. A right thoracic curve is the most common type of idiopathic scoliosis. There are several other types of idiopathic scoliosis curves. For example, a right thoracic curve and left lumbar curve together form a double major curve. Scoliosis curves that are 30 degrees or less at skeletal maturity are unlikely to get bigger.